Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a hodgepodge. It's going to start with a clean with me video. I just really needed some motivation to clean my kitchen last night, and so I just figured I'd pick up the camera and film for you guys. There's also going to be a grocery haul as well as a little bit of vlogging from the farm on Sundays. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and like this video and leave a comment below and say hello so I can say hello back. I love getting to know everybody that's subscribed to my channel. And I hope you enjoy, and I will check back in with you guys, I'm sure, in a little bit. I felt so much better after my kitchen was clean last night. It definitely helped me relax when I was going to bed. So next is going to be the grocery haul. Okay, here's the groceries that I picked up so far. I'm probably going to do the rest of my grocery shopping on Wednesday night after I go to dinner with my friends, since I'll be in town. But anyways, I picked up a bag of iceberg lettuce, 2 things of green beans, a package of corn, but we have corn, so I didn't buy too much. And then a can of home-style beef gravy. These southern style chicken bite, like popcorn chicken things. I actually saw these on YouTube like months ago, and I've been hoping that my store would get them. So I was excited when I saw these because I needed popcorn chicken anyways, so I picked that up. Picked up some plant butter. This was actually cheaper than regular butter, so I was excited about that. I picked up this coffee creamer for my coffee. I picked up some pitas because I'm going to do a recipe that I saw on Tony's channel yesterday when I was watching her video. I'm going to do like a pizza type thing. A couple flavoring packets for work. I picked up grape and watermelon limeade, my 2 favorites. And then I also picked up a bag of mozzarella cheese for Robert's pizzas. And then I have more stuff in there, but I got to get this stuff put away first. And then for non-food items from Walmart, I picked up another package of these munchie sticks that are Bella's favorite, and she was running out, so I figured since I was going to the store, I'd pick them up. I really needed razors, like in the worst way, so picked up these. These have always been like a good one to use, at least for me. And then for supplements, I needed another thing of probiotics. I picked this one up this time because I didn't really like the gummies I got last time. I just didn't like the taste of them. So I picked these up. There's 200 tablets in here, and serving size is 3 tablets. So, and then I needed some more ashwagandha root powder supplements. So I picked that up, same as what I had before. I picked up a bath mat for our bathtub because Ava sometimes likes to stand up in the bathtub and I don't want her to slip and fall. And then I picked up a couple things in the like wax section. So I picked up a lemon pumpkin shortbread and coral shores. And then from Dollar Tree, I'll just show you the little haul that I have. I didn't pick up too much. I picked up this cow picture for Ava's room to go somewhere, either above her crib or somewhere. It was the only cow picture they had, so picked that up for her. Picked up another thing of this Utterly Smooth hand cream. We really like it. Robert really likes using it like on his feet and stuff. And then I picked up one of these brushes because I needed a new one for cleaning the bathtub and the shower. Picked up some shave gel. Haven't tried this one before, but I like the other ones that I picked up. And then I needed a new loofah. And I realized last time I hauled a loofah and I wasn't sure how long you're supposed to keep it.
The biscuits.
It says for best results replace every 30 days. So the one I have in the shower is more than 30 days old. And then I picked up a 2-pack of these toothbrush cases because I need one for when I go to Vegas anyways. So got that. And then I picked up a pill organizer so I can put my just like my everyday supplements in here when I go on my trip. And then I saw this. I'm excited to try this. It's a foot mask. So you like put it on like a sock, and then it's supposed to be ultra moisturizing, nourishing, and softening. So excited to try that. And then I picked up a thing of Carmex because all the chapstick that I have, it does not work really well, so I needed something that was actually going to moisturize my lips. And then yeah, thanks Robert. And then the last thing I picked up was this Happy Easter sign from Dollar Tree, with the blue truck and the bunny. It's super cute. They also had it in pink, but I like the blue better. So that's my small-ish haul of the day. And I forgot to show you guys these. I also picked up Ava some cute rain boots because she didn't have any. And
mud boots.
Yeah, her mud boots.
Cow poop boots. Not rain boots. Cow poop boots.
Okay. And she's probably gonna start walking, you know, when it's muddy, so had to get her some boots to wear. So I got her these. They're 5'6". They were like $15. I think they were $14.99.
$14.99.
And they have little handles, and they'll be easy on and off for Grandpa to help her. So. His tail wags like a dog. This is Murphy. Robert didn't want to name him. He's the bottle baby. Can I give it to him?
Sure.
Do I just set it in there?
Yeah, just set it on the ground. He might eat it, he might not.
Giving him this to get him used to it, because we'll start giving him grain in a little while. He was just born on Monday, so he's not even a week old yet. I just have to figure out how to get it in there. Oh, I dropped my glove. They don't like me.
I know. 2 weeks before to go out, and I didn't want to stand out here. So now we have to start all over. You little lady, I should get home from you would be a good show.
That heifer would? The gate's not gonna blow open, is it? Who is that, Roscoe? Oh shoot, I probably shouldn't do that, huh? Because that's not closed. Huh?
I do it all the time.
Feeding the calf grain was a fail on my part. I think I spooked him a little too much. Happy Sunday, by the way. I decided we should have a farm vlog. Won't be very much farming in the vlog though, because Ava and I aren't staying here very long. Robert will be, but he doesn't bring the camera with him. But it's finally a sunny day and it's getting warm. It's supposed to be like 50, 55. Ooh, slippery. There's Gus hanging out. So last Sunday, I was gonna do a farm vlog, and we came out here, and one of the cows was calving, so we decided to leave her be, and we went back inside, and that ended up being an extremely long day, and her calf died. They had to pull it out. We had to get her in the chute in the barn. That was an adventure in itself. The only way I would have been able to film that without dying would have been if I had a GoPro strapped to me, so yeah, that wasn't gonna happen. And then on Monday, the mama to that bottle calf, she had twins. Woo! And one died. I'm trying not to die. So that one of them died, and she wouldn't take Murphy, so now we have Murphy the bottle calf. Are one of those the twins to him? The front one?
Yeah.
Ooh. I won't show you guys the dead calves. Because that's... you guys don't want to see that. Hi, Mama. Hi, 15-3. I know. You're in a mood. You don't want anyone to be near you. Here's Ugly, getting her butt scratches. There's Muley, and the one standing up is the newest calf, right? Heifer or bull calf? And we're hoping for all bull calves for the rest of the year, right? At least now Muley has a bud to hang out with out here, because he's been What? Well, you walked away from me. I can't scratch you when you walk away. Here's old number 37. How old is she? Oh, okay, you're not old, sorry. My bad. You just don't like me? Which one's this one? Little black heifer? Yeah. Well, there's that. You heard from the boss himself. But you never know.